Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Microsoft Store not working. So type here WS reset, then press enter. Now wait for few seconds. So it will fix some common problem and still you are facing problem. So click on library and click on get updates. So update this whole application which you have in your system and also update your Windows system if update is available. And after that, just you have to search CMD, right click and run as administrator. Now type again SFC space scan now, then enter and complete this scanning. Once this complete, just you have to restart your system. So these are methods guys, you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.